Social relations are the social interaction and mutual relations between two or more people, and social relationships form the basis of many topics and the main foundations in life, including the social structure, which includes social interactions, observation, social research, economic and political relations, and works to form society and build the state and civilizations. And there are a number of social relations, a large number of forms and ways in which relations are applied between members of society, states and civilizations in general, and among these and most of these forms are innate behaviors, as well as social behaviors, and are represented by mixing and communicating with the rest of the community, and as useful in forming personality, learning, developing, and participating in solving problems and overcoming obstacles. And perhaps the most important one will be in the field of work, and below will explain how to build a strong network of relationships in the field of work. 1. How to build a strong network of relationships in the field working for each social entity. Social and practical relationships to develop itself and to improve its life and work through exchanging experiences with other entities, and to build such relationships a number of different tips and behaviors must be followed, and some advice will be mentioned to answer the question, how to build a strong network of relationships in the field of work. 2. Forge a strong employee relationship without the absence of any employee, because the relationships are not based on external sources. The constant search for mutual contact, by using time and trying to understand people and the environment, and reading common aspects, and this step is useful in forming a rapid social relationship between the employee and any person with the same common ideas and interests. Accuracy in work and assistance in facilitating requests, from the surrounding environment and from the network of relationships in which the individual is located. Diversity is one of the most important steps in creating a strong network of relationships, by selecting diverse people with different competencies and separate tasks. Maintaining work credibility and not delaying completion of a task and project within the relationship. Staying in touch with the network, constantly enhancing it and carrying out important activities continuously. The importance of social relations. After knowing how to build a strong network of relationships in the field of work, it is necessary to see the importance of social networks and relations. One of the most important activities that a person undertakes is building large and many relationships and networks. Among the most important benefits that social relations offer are 3. The quality of life and living, where social ties prevail, which is the biggest determinant of health, because the person needs to communicate with others and not feel lonely. Social relationships enhance mental power, by building a database of information, links, and data that it collects. Social relations help a better life and help build and develop the personality of the individual and help him to work and fatigue, develop society and participate in solving difficult problems. Good communication and social relationships reduce the risk of suicide, due to the presence of a social environment around the individual that helps him overcome obstacles and contributes to improving his life.